Hey guys, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews, and we're here with another case review. And today we have the BENKS Armor Air Grand Combo for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. This just came out, and I have the privilege of reviewing it with you, and we're going to test to see if it's a really good case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before we get into that, if you could please like and subscribe to this channel, we'd greatly appreciate it. Give me the thumbs up by hitting the like button, and don't forget to subscribe once again. All right, so today we have a wonderful case presentation from BENKS. I've reviewed BENKS cases on my channel before for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, as well as the Z Fold Ultra, and you can check out those videos in my comments and links below. But let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is unbox and see what is inside this package. So BENKS is known for their Kevlar cases, and this particular Air Armor Grand Combo costs $89.99, and you can get this on their website, and I'll have a link to that below, and you can get an extra 15% off if you do use the code below. Now, this version of the case is the Aura or Northern Lights Urban Escape Edition, because it is inspired by the enchanting Northern Lights, and it weaves together like the shades of blue, vibrant green, and hits of radiant orange, and it captures the mystical dance of the aura across the night sky. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. So here is the case, and it is in a kind of like a nice little design pattern, and it'll tell you right away it's designed for SAM Fold 7. And this comes with a front case, a fold case, which is on the back, and a screen protector. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. So it comes shrink wrapped. And voila. So this company's been around since 2008, and they provide you with the sticker here. So let's put that on the side. And they come in the packages of the fold case, the front case, the glass Warrior screen protector. So we have those items here. Let's look at them one at a time. So we have the front case, and this is the solidity for the front. So let's go ahead and put it on right here. And it comes with adhesives that you have to, strip out, which I've already done. And then here is the back part. Case, and there's that Northern Lights design here. All right, let's snap it on. All right, take a look at the Air Armor case built with Kevlar. So as you see, we have hinge protection here. So we have the front case here, so that's covered, and it keeps the form of the square shape of the foldable. And then you have some protection for your cameras here. This design is incredible. And did I mention it comes with MagSafe support? So just keep that in mind. It does have MagSafe in it, so you can keep with your MagSafe products. Now let's talk about this case for a second. So as I mentioned before, it's built with DuPont Kevlar fiber. And you can see it woven throughout the case, even on the bottom, which gives it adequate protection. It comes with strong magnetic MagSafe support. It has a PU magnetic hinge for your protection here to keep those scratches off of that hinge right here. It has camera lens guard, as I mentioned before, and is slim, tough, and lightweight. And it includes 2 extra adhesive strips for your ultimate safe protection. Now you're wondering, how strong is the MagSafe? Well, let's test that out. So I have, once again, my BENKS wallet that I've reviewed in the videos in the past. And as you can see, I still have that Kevlar design. So you can just kind of marry the two. And here's the ring. Now when we talk about magnetic strip, so you can definitely use all your MagSafe support, and if you want to, you can go on the website on BENKS and you can get yourself a magnetic wallet to match the two. So I like this, and I like how slim the profile is. So it's keeping the slim theme going with the case. The next thing I want to do is just kind of open it up to see what it looks like whenever you have it all the way open. So there you go. Now, one thing about having hinge protection, in the past, some of the other companies have like a really bulky hinge where it feels almost like you're having like a book design, but this is very comfortable. It still retains the lightweightness of it. I mean, using the slim profile below, I mean, it really does keep the integrity of the phone together. And I really like that even though they have this front case, it's not as flimsy as others. I mean, you still, you know, if you pull hard enough, you can pull it off real easy. But with the hinge being there, you're gonna have a barrier kind of help you with that protection. And if you want to, you can even just take off the hinge protection and use it as such, which is what Samsung has introduced with their cases. It's just the back protection, no hinge protection. But with BENKS, you get a full 360-degree support. Now, I mentioned before, there's a Glass Warrior screen protector, and it is for the front. For the sake of time, I've already installed it. It's a simple sticker that you pull apart the glass, and then you just kind of line it up. Now, it does cover the camera hole, but it does not block the camera's full capabilities. And as you can see, it is tempered glass, and you're not gonna have any issues with that. I'm having no issues with touchscreen support. So just put it on as nice and clean as possible. It does come with the cleaning cloth and the wiping and the sticker to get the dust off of it. So just keep that in mind whenever you are installing your Glass Warrior screen protector. Now, you're probably wondering, how does the wireless charging work with this? Well, I have my trusty wireless charger here, and let's find out if there's any obstructions to the charging capabilities. And as you hear by the sound, there is no problems. You're gonna have a normal wireless charging session, and that pretty much keeps the integrity of this case together. I seriously think that you should give this case a look. I want to say this is probably like one of the better cases I've seen out there. Samsung has, up their game with the cases. However, BENKS has been doing this since 2008, protecting all your phones, and this one is no exception. I really love the design. I love how everything is protected, and I absolutely love the fact that it has the MagSafe charging in there, so you can pretty much use all your MagSafe accessories. I even have one in the car where I can, have it, hold it on my air ventilator as opposed to just on the ground. And I just love that all of their cases and all of their protectors are compatible and they look good together. But are you deciding on picking up one of these cases? Click the link below and just give them a try. And I promise you, you will love this design. I love this, absolutely. I love the presentation. And BENKS has been doing this so long that you just can't go wrong. So, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, which is a thumbs up. Subscribe, which is that subscription button, to get more and more information about the Galaxy Z Fold, as well as any other cases that are coming up in the pipeline. Thanks for your time. Peace.